Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice, and this is one of our brand new Boston Whaler 28 Outrages. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through the boat. I'll also show you some of the options. As you can see here, this one has the big 300 Verados. These are digital throttle and shift. She's got her underwater lights on the 28, very deep V in the front, also has very high sides. So if you're doing a lot of running offshore, things like that, this boat works out great. Has a nice bait prep station right here. In the back, dedicated rod storage, recessed on each side. Nice big recirculating bait well, aft mid seat. Extremely comfortable captain's chairs, as you can see here. And spot here for your feet when you're cruising. This is the digital throttle and shift. Plenty of room here for electronics, GPS chart plotter, VHF, autopilot, whatever you'd like. This one also has the full windshield, 3 sides. Gives a little bit more protection than isinglass does. Underneath here, fully enclosed head. A lot of room inside there. And this is what I like about the boat. We mentioned the high sides before. You have seating up here. Very, very comfortable. Coaming bolsters down both sides of it. This is our hard top right here. And then you pop this open. Tremendous amount of storage in here as well. This is probably one of the coolest features on the boat. You never have enough storage on one of these things. So to recap, 2018 Boston Whaler 28 Outrage. Again, my name is Jeremy Bradshaw. The boat's located here at MarineMax in Venice. If you'd like some additional information, feel free to give us a call. The number here is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time. We hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.